Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to access calendar by tapping on it. Then pick a date by clicking on the chosen one and tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner to create your event. Over here, customize it however you wish to. For example, add a title, pick color, select starting hour or ending one. You can also disable this feature by tapping on this feature next to all day, take notes, invite people, and even select location. Click on map, select while using the app or only this time. And over here, type in an address. Now pick the correct one and choose Done at the bottom right corner. Over here you can also set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event. I will go with 2 days before. And tap on Don't Repeat. Now select one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. I don't, so I will go with Don't Repeat, go back and save my event by clicking on Save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, it was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you need to click on it, then tap on it again. Click on Edit icon at the bottom and make your changes. I will go with changing a title a little bit. Then choose Save one more time. If you wish to delete it though, you need to click on it again, but this time select Delete icon at the bottom right corner and click on Move to Recycle bin. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!